Connecting a new device on Telefonica 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth setup. Step 1. Gather your information. Before starting, make sure you have your account details, including your username and password, as well as the device you want to connect. Step 2. Access the network settings. On your new device, go to the Settings menu. Look for the Network or Wi-Fi section to begin the connection process. Step 3. Select the Telefonica network. In the network settings, scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Find and select the Telefonica network from the list of available connections. Step 4. Enter the password. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Confirm connection. After entering the password, your device should attempt to connect. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message or a Wi-Fi icon indicating a successful connection. Now you can enjoy using your new device on the Telefonica network. If you encounter any issues, refer to the device's user manual or contact customer support for assistance.